Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to WhatsApp Business for order updates. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Shopify to WhatsApp Business for order updates, begin by ensuring you have a Shopify store and a WhatsApp Business account. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type WhatsApp Chat. Select a suitable WhatsApp integration app that fits your needs. Click on the app to view its details. Review the features and ratings to confirm it meets your requirements. Click on the Add App button to start the installation. Follow the prompts to connect the app to your Shopify store. Grant the necessary permissions for the app to access your store. Once installed, go to the app settings. Enter your WhatsApp business number. Verify your number by following the on-screen instructions. Customize the message templates that will be sent to customers for order updates. Set up triggers for when messages should be sent, such as order confirmations and shipping notifications. Save your settings to ensure all changes are applied. Test the integration by placing a sample order on your Shopify store. Check your WhatsApp business account for the order update message. If everything is working properly, you are now set up to send order updates via WhatsApp. Ensure that your customers know they will receive updates through WhatsApp. Regularly monitor the app to keep it functioning smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.